Mama? You're not happy about something.
Hello, how are you? Good. Hello, you sweet angel Faye. Oh, you're so sweet.
Come here. Come here. Get your ass.
Three, two, one. Ready or not, here I come. Really, Kimmy?
Who ate the toy? Bella ate the toy. Did Bella eat the toy?
No. Are you done? No.
No, come back. I got it on film. Oh my goodness, you alright?
No more food.
So, we stick it in the back of his throat, and then we just let him lick the peanut butter.
Pino. She doesn't want to play right now.
So this is why boxers are my favorite breed. They always have this look on their face like they owe you.
You are not hurt. Come here.
Oh my God, no!
Amy, you know you hear me talking to you.
No bite.
You want a treat? Got your ass.
Back up. Back up.
You gonna sit over there now?
Say Quisha. Oh yeah.
It's not a jacuzzi. Come on out.
Chaos. Hi. Hi.
You're the best squeaker.
Oh my God, are you okay?
Place.
I like your stick. That's a really good one.
Vinny, I can see you. I can still see. Vinny.
Say mama. Not you.
And then what? Oh my gosh. Oh no.
Connor, just go back to sleep. Thank you. Yeah! Good boy!
Jesus Christ, Loki.
The crime has been committed.
All right, can you say your name? Luna. That was perfect.
One more kiss. Hey!
He looks so happy right now. He's smiling.
You're smiling, buddies.
Allergy season is getting to little Vinny here.
Look at me. Look at me. Hey. Hey. Hey, you.
Can I help you?
Oh my goodness. Show me.
Volume of tests. When you go back to the manufacturer.
Bailey, no!
Off the roof.
Stop!
Bailey, don't you?
A chili dog.
Hi, can I touch you? No. Oh, okay.
Do you think that throwing a tantrum and yelling at me is gonna... Let me finish the question. Okay.
How are you gonna get out?
How is she gonna get it? Let's see it.
She doesn't want to play right now, Pino. Pino. She doesn't want to play right now.